आपके सामने आपके अंडर 19 कैप्टन भी रहेंगे, आपके टीम में जड्डू रहेंगे, उस टीम में संजू रहेंगे, लेकिन आयुष मात्रे दूसरी साइड रहेंगे। तो आपके बीच में जो इतनी एक भाईचारा सा बन गया था अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप में, अब राइवल्स बन के कैसा रहेगा?
नहीं सर, लास्ट टाइम भी अगेंस्ट में मेरे मैच हुआ था तो ऐसा कुछ राइवलरी नहीं था, हम लोग एंजॉय करके ही खेले। तो इस बार भी हम लोग एंजॉय करके ही खेलेंगे एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट और ट्राई करेंगे अपनी टीम के लिए 100% देने का।
With the Sunrisers, a team that Abhishek plays for. By the way, when you turn up again, you said last year that Pat Cummins said to you, score 225, 250, doesn't matter if you get bowled out for 100. Is that still going to be the approach up at Chinnaswamy against RCB?
I mean, it's going to be with all the teams. That's what we have been trying in all the matches. But yeah, it was the Pat Cummins always wanted to be that team that, you know, dominates in all the games. Individual score doesn't matter, but you have to dominate no matter what team you're playing against.
Hardik, these three people don't have something that you have, belonging to a franchise that's won 5. And you, of course, won 1 with Gujarat as well. What is the approach that a team needs to have over a long 14-game season to try and win a trophy, not once, but 5 times?
Interesting. I mean, to win an IPL, I think as individuals, as group, you really need to commit. There are no off days. And if you specifically speak about IPL, there are no off days. T20 cricket is such a unique sport where the game can change any point of time. And you must have seen over the years as well that there is a team doing well, but there is one slip, you know, one kind of a mishap or a one game here and there, and they kind of lose the whole momentum in the IPL. So what I felt that to win the IPL, you need to be very smart about it, how you want to go about it. At the same point of time, how do you overcome the pressure? Because IPL is also a lot of pressure of the franchisee sport. So when you collect all these dots and then always make sure that every time when you come on the ground, you put the best foot forward, you have a chance to win the IPL because it still does not guarantee you. On that day, when the matters, you need to have all the luck and all the love and all the support from you, and that's what matters.
Hair's going to be the same color for the IPL?
Yes. I think I'm not enjoying the black, so I'll keep this.
Okay, I've got some quick questions for all of you, just for everyone's curiosity. I'll start with you, Abhishek. Same question for all of you. Do you remember the first phone you ever owned? First phone. Phone. My generation was a telephone, chhod do, mobile phone.
I still remember we were playing under 12, under 14, I guess. So Samsung, it was Samsung, but let me tell you one thing. Only one player had iPhone that time, and that was Shubman in our team. So I still remember he was the guy with iPhone, I think 4 or something, but I had Samsung. I don't know.
Sanju?
Motorola flip phones.
Motorola
वैसे कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि अंडर 16 को सोशल मीडिया बैन होना चाहिए, तो वैभव को फोन देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए?
उसके पास दो है अभी.
अगर मैं पूछूं पहला कौन सा था, वो तो अभी का था. Your first video game?
First video game. I think everybody must have played that Cricket 07 EA Sports. That was my first game.
GTA Vice City.
WWE.
फर्स्ट वीडियो गेम आपका?
सर मैं वीडियो गेम खेलते ही नहीं हूँ,
क्योंकि आपका क्रिकेट लोग कहते हैं वीडियो गेम की तरह ही है.
क्रिकेट ही वीडियो गेम खेल रहे हैं.
ना ही खेलो, बल्ले से गेंद को ही मारते रहो. Your cricketing idol growing up, Abhishek?
Cricket idol?
Yeah.
Yuvraj Singh.
Sanju?
Sachin sir.
Wasim Jafar.
Brian Lara and Yuvraj Singh.
Tell me about Wasim.
I just loved from day one, whenever I saw him batting, I used to just try to copy him. The way his, the class which he had, the timing which he had, which really, I was very attracted to it, so yeah.
First car or first bike?
First, I think scooty, I would say Activa. I used to go on that to the ground, so Activa.
Wagoner.
Wagoner.
Maruti 800, the कांच पीछे से खुलने वाली.
मैंने सर अभी तक नहीं लिया है.
पर मैंने देखा अभी कि आपको किसी ने एक दी है गाड़ी, तो है आपके पास फिलहाल?
बहुत छोटे हो,
है यार, होगी गाड़ी तो होगी ना
लाइसेंस
यार।
नहीं है तुम्हारे पास।
नहीं, वो कह रहा है कि लाइसेंस नहीं है पर माइक उठा के बोल सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं। Abhishek, first match that you ever watched in a stadium, do you remember? That you went to a stadium to watch?
Yes, I think it was IPL match final. It was a final game of Kings 11 and RCB. Sorry, KKR and Kings 11. Sorry, KKR won that game in Chinnaswamy.
Just as well you didn't say RCB and talk about the result. नहीं तो पहले मैच में बड़ी sledging होती है आपको। First game you saw at a stadium? In Delhi or back in Kerala?
I think it was an IPL game which I was a part of. I never went and saw a game actually.
Serious?
Yeah,
The first game you saw in a stadium was a game you were playing.
yeah, I think so. I can't remember watching a game.
Mine was India versus Australia in Baroda. I think it was 2010ish. I was a ball boy.
Be careful when you say 2010ish because the guy next to you will say मैं शायद पहली बार स्टेडियम में कौन सा मैच देखा आपने?
सर 2017 में आईपीएल का केकेआर वर्सेस आरपीएस का मैच था ईडन गार्डन्स में, वो देखा था मैंने।
Growing up, your favorite movie or your favorite actor? Growing up, I mean you're still growing up, but
Favorite movie was Three Idiots for sure. I really enjoyed that movie. And actor, it's always getting changed. Depends on the movie I'm watching.
कोई
so-
बात नहीं, Three Idiots we'll go with.
Mine any movie of Rajnikant sir.
Any movie of?
Rajnikant sir.
My choice is odd, but I really loved Godzilla. So went to see Godzilla in Upper Deck. Actor name.
आप?
धुरंधर सर, धुरंधर।
Okay. Okay. The first player who played a prank on you in the IPL. Do you remember?
I think first, I don't remember, but I still remember a lot of pranks from Ishan. He's a big prankster in SRH, so I can't name one, but his.
सच ईशान? नहीं, लग रहा है कुछ दाल में काला है यहाँ पे। Is he a prankster?
Yeah, big one.
You're a prankster yourself?
Little bit sometimes.
Come on, Hardik. Who played the first prank on you?
I think it was Ricky Ponting. He said that, I think this was a prank only in my eyes. I got excited because I won my first couple of man of the matches. And that point of time, I was on a 10 lakh contract. So he actually told me that this money goes to you. So actually, I calculated what I'm going to do with this money. And then later, I got to know that this actually gets, kind of divided between the group. So yeah, that was a little bit prank.
Okay, we're still too young to ask him about who pranked him. So thank you very much. I hope you have a fantastic IPL, all of you, because it's a tournament that defines all of us. It's a tournament that brings all of us so much joy, and it's round the corner.